Hi everyone, so to start off the video, I'm just going to detangle my hair. You know, I did a previous video about the Chic Natural hair tutorial, so now it's the Natural 95 turn. We will try a hairstyle, and mind you guys, I try to choose like the easiest style on both of her channel, and that's the look I'm come with. That's the look I'm going to try, you know, for you. Simple protective style. I hope so. Asymmetrical, asymmetrical, asymmetrical twisted crown. I like the concept.
Because they're more gentle. Okay, so once you pick a side, make a long angled part from the middle of your head down to the side.
Okay, I'm going to apply this curl and lashes cream on my edges like her.
I'm gonna clean up my edges a bit from this postpartum shedding disaster. I'm just applying a bit of my mango buttercream. You can use any styling cream you like.
I'm going to apply that on
and then gently brushing
my
the hair
edges,
back.
And it's almost done. Do you see that?
Apply it to your edges and near the side part to hold the hair in place. And
almost
then brush the hair back to make it sleek.
Done. Almost gone. My mirror is playing tricks. Like, my god, what is that? Try to see myself, and this nonsense mirror tried to destroy my face. I don't understand. Okay. Now she applied the gel, and this video is only 5 minutes, so you know I have to pause the video a lot.
First, moisturizing the hair again with a bit of my mango buttercream.
Okay. Now
I also swooped my edges for this look. Of course, it's totally optional. And now from the middle and working my way around, I'm gonna flat twist. Let's get on with the twist. First, moisturizing the hair again with a bit of my mango buttercream. And starting from the middle and working my way around, I'm gonna flat twist. Flat twists are really simple. All you do is twist a small section of hair, adding in hair from below with every twist. So as you can see, with each twist, I add in a bit more hair. As you add in more hair, the twist will of course get bigger and bigger. So take your time with this, making sure it's nice and neat. When there's no more hair to add, just twist down like normal. When I get to the very end, I just pin the twist up to keep it stretched and to get it out of the way. Now release the other side. I'm going to smooth my edges and the hair near the part to make it more sleek. Now I'm adding mango butter to help moisturize the hair, and we're going to repeat the same process. Flat twisting from the middle and working my way around. And I just flat twist, adding in hair as I go. Twist the hair all the way around to the bottom.
So I'm going to redo this side because I really want to see the final look, because that is not normal.
Just point the pin upwards, secure.
Okay, what is next? I think this twist came a lot more better than this one, except for this part, you see. But that is a no.
I bring it up and tuck it under the other twist.
Oh, under. Wait, my hair don't come that way. My hair is way too shorter, but I will try. Here's my bobby pin. Take one, and she's showing another trick. Let me see.
The pin against your scalp. That pulls on your roots and hurts. So instead, just point the pin upwards, securing it into the hair. That'll make it a lot more comfortable and less irritating to your scalp. Now I grab the other twist and repeat the same thing, pulling it around the back and up to the front.
You want to see me pinning the twist?
And that's it. A super simple protective style. And that's it. A super simple protective style. I did this style at night, so I'm just
okay. Let me put some gel so it can be like cute, so it will not look like I failed this part. Where's my gel? Wee. Okay. I tried, sis. I tried. When you fail a part and you do not want people to pay attention to that, you just put gel. It saves your time. And it's like a partial fail. It's like half and half, you know. You cannot win all the time, you know. This one is really nice. Like, look at this braid. It's really nice. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.